Hi, this is Chinmayi and today is going to be a getting ready with me video for the Sakshi Awards. I'm getting the Best Female Playback Singer award for Geeta Govindam, and Rahul is getting his Best Debut Director award as well. And today, especially for this hair, especially for this look, this was done by Hanuman. I've been styled by Srimukhi Mekhla and I'm wearing clothes from Origins Hyderabad. I got the makeup done myself, as you know, and you're going to be seeing for the rest of this video as to how I went about doing my makeup. Hi, this is Chinmayi and today going to be polyglutamic acid is a now what is polyglutamic acid? And the last was the other thing is that I did try to use the GHD Oracle curler again, and I don't think it's working for me. I'm just going to try just once more before I think I'll find somebody in the UK or somebody who's traveling to the UK to return it. It's just not working for me. It's just not. I tried it a couple of times and then I had to go back and use the salon style spin styler, which is the automatic hair curling iron that we have, one that spins actually. You may have seen me use this on my channel before. So you will see a small clipping of how the GHD curler worked on me a little later into the video, and then we kind of switched over to this. I used the Bumble & Bumble BB Thickening Great Body Blow Dry Creme. I also used the Miracle It's 10 Miracle Leave-In Spray, the heat protectant spray, and to set this I have used the Misha hairspray as well. So this is it. At the end of the video you're going to be seeing the finished this entire look, and let me take you right in as to how I went about doing my makeup for this video. I'm starting my makeup by prepping my skin with the Dr. Jart Water Fuse Ultimate Hydrogel. I'm now going in with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I just decided I'll go in with the Dr. Jart the hydrogel on my eyelids so that it will hold on to the eyeshadow base. I'm now going in with the MAC Paint Pot. I'm using the Zoeva brush to spread it. I'm going in with the setting powder to set the paint pot base. I'm now using the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm going in with a transition shade first. I'm now using the Hoola Benefit bronzer to go over my crease once again. I'm going in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer to deepen the shade in my crease once again. I'm now going in with the Morphe 35R eyeshadow palette, and this is the Marc Jacobs eyeshadow brush. I'm using my finger to deepen the shade. I'm using the Sonia Kashyap gel liner first to draw a basic base, and then I'm now going in with the Benefit roller liner to deepen the eyeliner. The Benefit roller liner has been my recent favorite and I have been reaching out for it each time that I want to be doing a wing liner. Going back with the Dr. Jart hydrogel to moisturize my under eye area. This is the Fenty Beauty's concealer. And I'm now going in with the Becca Aqualuminous concealer on top of that. I'm now using the Clinique contouring chubby stick, and I'm using the Morphe nose contouring brush to contour my nose and to also contour my jawline and my cheekbones. Using the Zoeva Silk Finish brush to blend it all in. I'm using the Eco Tools sponge to bake the under eye area. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer, and then I'm going in with my beauty blender to blend it all in. I'm now using the Marc Jacobs smaller eyeshadow brush to line my under eye area. Going back with the Benefit roller liner to fill up all the spots that I may have missed and to deepen other areas in my eye. I'm now using the MAC brush, I think this is the 224, to brush off all the excess powder. I'm using the Pat McGrath Fetishize mascara, and I'm curling my lashes with the Tweezerman eye curler right before that. I'm using the Makeup Forever double head eyelash comb and brush to separate my eyelashes. And now I'm going in with the Colourpop Lunch Money highlighter. I'm using the same to highlight my brow bone as well. I'm now going in with the Kosas Beauty Duo highlighter and blush duo, and I'm using the blush from this. I'm using the Zoeva Silk Finish brush to blend it all out. Going back to the Morphe brush to use that to contour under my cheekbones, and the Hoola Benefit bronzer to bronze it out. So I'm going with the MAC lip pencil to line my lips first, because I'm going in for a bold red lip today, and it's always good to go in with the lip liner before you go in with your lipstick. I'm now going over with my lipstick, which is the Pat McGrath Elson. It's a lovely blue red that it's been my favorite red to use. And it was at this point that I realized that I didn't go with any foundation, and I'm going with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation and just covering over the areas around my mouth. And I realized that I don't really need foundation for the rest of my face today, because also I've anyway finished the blush and the highlighter and the bronzing. There's only so much I can do. I'm now going in with the Bumble and Bumble thickening cream, and this is the amount that I have taken. I go over it through the length of my hair, and this is a thickening cream and it gives some sort of a heat protection and volume. And I'm going to be styling my hair with this today. This is probably the nth time that I'm trying the GHD Oracle curler to see if it works on my hair, and I watched multiple videos to see if this can kind of work on my hair. And as you see, it's not really giving me the results that I seem to see in other videos. And at some point in time I gave up with this, and I went with the Salon Spin Styler, and I finished the hair. And that's about it for this video.